Hey guys, Chris here. Mike's not with me today, so it's only train buddy, not train buddies. Mike's on a road trip with my wife, his mom, and his brother, my other son, Aaron. They are on their way to Wisconsin. Michael's really hoping to see some some lines we don't see down this way very often while they're up there. Some Canadian lines coming across the border and whatnot. So good luck to him on that. I'm really excited to hopefully see footage of some other lines. I'm here at Wolsing Nature Preserve today. Other than trains, our family likes to hike and bike and camp, paddle, fish. We do canoes, we do kayaks. We do it all. We're kind of outdoorsy. This is a nice little hidden gem in Kenton County, right along Banklick Creek, which you can see right behind me. Right on the other side of right up here behind me, if I look this way, back that way, is CSX line. Former L&N line goes down to LaGrange and eventually Louisville. So used to be a couple good spots along the trail to rail fan, especially a cool trestle right up here that goes over the creek. I was hiking up that way, and it's really overgrown at the turnaround in the trail. It used to be a little spur trail up to where the train trestle is over the creek. I was hoping to catch a train there, but like I said, it's really overgrown. I didn't feel like bushwhacking. I think you can usually, if I recall correctly, you can usually walk along the creek bed, but we had a lot of rain last night, so the creek's pretty high. I didn't feel like swimming either, so didn't go up to the trestle. But as I was walking along the trail, my scanner died, the battery went out. I need to recharge it. But luckily, down here along the creek valley, Banklick Creek, I could hear the sound of the train coming all the way up the valley. So I knew it was coming. I had to run back to the railroad crossing at the entrance to the nature preserve to catch a westbound train headed away from Cincinnati. But that's it. I'm gonna quit. Oh, yeah, really cool in the video. Well, I don't know if it's cool, but it's unusual. I haven't seen this a lot. There's a bouncy rail right past the railroad crossing as the rails leave the blacktop pad where the cars can go over the tracks. It's really sloppy. You can see the track kind of bouncing up and down. At first I thought it was the light, the shadows of the train, but no, it is definitely the railroad ties and track bouncing up and down. So check it out. Hopefully I can get another train for you guys while I'm here, but even if not, we at least got one. Check it out. Look at that soft spot. comes the end. No DPU on the end. Wow, this soft spot right here, you could see it going up and down with the train as it was passing over. Look at all that. Look at all that wet muck. Blech. Hey guys, I'm still here at Wolsing Nature Preserve in Kenton County. It's gorgeous. I'm down here on the other side of the property. You can see the beautiful wildflowers behind me. Banklet Creek is just down over the hill. It is gorgeous. Pollinators at work. There's been bees and butterflies, birds zipping in and out, hawks soaring overhead just a little bit ago. It is gorgeous. Beautiful. I recommend hiking here if you're into that thing. Like I am, I love it. But in addition to beautiful nature, right behind me over my left-hand shoulder here, you will see the CSX line, the former L&N line, the same one that we caught a train on earlier. It is right behind me. It skirts the border of the nature preserve, so you can get your hike on, hopefully get your train on. Just down here to my left is the Cody Road Bridge. I'm really hoping to catch a train there for you guys. I haven't caught one yet. You'll know if I do because it'll be spliced in before my little commentary here. Thanks for bearing with me today with all my outdoorsy natureness. I love it. Hopefully you liked it too. If not, you can just fast forward on through it, I suppose. All right, guys. Well, there's the Cody Road Bridge up there. It's a really cool bridge. It goes on top. We've got the CSX bridge. Underneath the train trestle, we've got Cody Road, and then underneath Cody Road, we've got Banklet Creek. They all intersect right here. Unfortunately, we didn't catch a CSX train on this trestle today, but I wanted to show you the bridge anyway. I could hear a horn, train horn, down. Sounded like it was coming from down the line just a little while ago. I waited and waited. Nothing ever came. I believe it's probably, definitely sounded northbound, but I'm guessing it just came from the Norfolk Southern line, which is just 2 miles from here the way the crow flies. Anyway, just one train from me today. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Train buddies out.